All right, guys. All right, so figure come on along here, start vlogging on my Action 5 Horizon Steady 1080p, and basically regular settings, neutral colors, nothing crazy. The reason why I wanted to do 1080 is because I basically wanted to upload a video real quick, and just so you know, you have the DJI mic mini. How do I sound? And it's a nice day out, a little hot where I'm at. And how's it looking? Hopefully it's looking good as I walk. So the vlog today, I want to talk about is being genuine, being yourself. I think it's one of the most important things to help you continue your YouTube creation journey. And what I mean by that is, I can say for myself, the one thing that I have always done from almost the day my first video is try to be myself, try to be genuine on these YouTube videos. And basically, I think that's what, well, I think it has helped me just to upload, because what's happening is when you upload videos and you're not genuine, you try to act, or you try to be an actor, or you try to be like another creator, what happens is you're acting. You don't really produce anything. You really don't. It's hard for you to get motivated to be consistent when you're acting. You're too worried about how you look, how you talk, what the setup is. Do I need to have a script? And I don't think I've done one video. I think I have over 140 videos now. I don't think I've done one video with a script. Maybe outlines, but definitely not a script. And right now, with these current Action 5 Pro vlogs that I've been doing lately with this camera, I have not done a script, period. I haven't even done that many outlines. Like, I just came home from work and I said, you know what? I got this idea to be genuine, to be yourself. And I said, you know what? I'm just going to grab my Action 5, turn it on, mess with the settings a little bit, activate the DJI mini mic, or mic mini, and just vlog. And that's what I'm doing right now. So I want to push that. I want to try to motivate a new YouTuber, or a new person, a person trying to create. I really just want to kind of motivate them to just go out there and start. And this is the camera that will, I think, help you start. But you don't, again, we go through it all the time. You don't need to get an Action 5 or even a mirrorless camera. You could use your phone and you could just vlog and just be yourself. So, like, for example, even with this video, I'm just gonna upload this without editing it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm being genuine. Okay, I mean, I'm not dressed up. I didn't put any makeup on. I didn't wear my hair wig. I'm only kidding on that. But I mean, this is what I'm going to do. And I think that being genuine will help you with your flow, will help you create. And especially vlogging. Like, I never really started vlogging until I got the Action 5. I always wanted to, but I got this. I watched so many videos from other vloggers, and I don't know, they said it was easy, it looked easy, they just pressed the button and they went for it. And guess what? They are correct. This is so easy. Just go out there and vlog and try to speak your mind, speak what you want to do, motivate, help other creators, maybe make a community of other vloggers. I don't know. So I will say in 2025, I'm trying to rediscover my creation, my YouTube channel, rediscover creating. And I think going forward, I want to get content out there. And I always say this in every vlog. Just get content out there. And I know it's hard. I mean, this is not easy. Some people say, Joe, it seems like you've been, it's so easy for you. It's not easy for me. I may make it look easy. By the way, how's the sun look? Sun's basically up to the right. Just wondering how it's looking visually on the Action 5. Let me know in the comments below. And how do I sound again with the mic? So I may make it look easy, or some of these people may make it look easy, but it's not easy. And I think what makes it easy for me is that, or what I really do, is I think about a conversation, or as though I'm talking to somebody at, lunch or something, and I'm trying to have a conversation with them, and I'm just like, this camera is the other person, and I'm just talking to them, explaining what I'm doing on the channel, what I want to do, how can I help you, like just conversation, and I'm walking around. And I think this is what, this is what makes it easy. Just talk like you're talking to your brother, your sister, your friend, anyone, a coworker. There's cars passing by me, and you got to learn when you're vlogging to kind of ignore them, because you get a little bit more nervous, you get a little bit more like embarrassed or something. Like people say, aren't you embarrassed? Or embarrassed about what? I'm out there, you get a little bit embarrassed, but I'm out there walking, vlogging, and that's what I want to do. That's what I want to do. And believe me, trust me, even though you get a little embarrassed when you vlog or you're out there making videos, trust me, everyone, well, not everyone, but lots of creators are embarrassed. Even experienced creators are embarrassed. Actors are embarrassed. Workers are embarrassed. People are embarrassed. People get embarrassed with so many things. And as a YouTube creator, I notice YouTube creators that are still embarrassed, that have been creating for years, decades, but they're so focused on making the content, or so focused on trying to send the message, or try to teach, or try to motivate, that they stick to that. And I think if you stick to that, you stick to who you're talking to, who you want to talk to. Stick to thinking that this camera in front of you is a person. And that's basically it. By the way, on the DJI mic, it's mono. I went with mono. I like to do the vlogs mono because I don't know, I just like to do them mono. I think that hold on, let me just set this up here. Alright, I like to do it mono because I don't know, I don't think I need the stereo distractions, or it's really a vlog straight out, rather be focused on the person talking, which is me, and who I'm talking to, the audience, or in this case the Action 5 Pro. So that's it. I'm pretty much want you to get out there and start vlogging like me, start creating, start a YouTube channel if you want. Go out there, and by the way, of course, if you like the video, if you don't like the video, like, unlike, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. But again, please guys, go out there, create, and just enjoy, or try to enjoy being a YouTube creator. All right, and that's it. I'll see you next time on the next one. Take it easy.